Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. LINK looks a little like a stable coin at the moment, which is absolutely fine. You know, it is this ongoing wave 4 correction that the price is likely still caught within. Yeah, so we're still dealing here with this Elliott wave triangle pattern. Remember, looking at the bigger context, maybe we should start with that. We have seen the beginning of a bullish structure in June, yeah, around the 10th of June. So we had a first move up, quite a deep pullback. We call that a 1-2 setup. This wave 2 bottomed around the 11th of September, and then the price showed an increase, just didn't want to come down anymore, and then broke end of October above the range in which the price had been caught for over a year. And that was really another indicator that the face of the crypto market was changing to something generally more bullish and something that basically entering a new market phase. And now the price then rallied in a third wave, topped here around $16.55 around the 12th of November, and since then has been caught in this ongoing correction that I call a wave 4. One more high is still preferred, so I prefer one more high in what I would call a wave 5, targeting minimally $21. There will be structural resistance around $18.30, $18.40. Our support levels are defined between $9.75 and $12.88, with the important 38.2 retracement level at $11 in between. There are two possibilities, there are many possibilities. There are two probable wave counts that I see for the current ongoing wave 4. There are two wave counts that I think have a good chance to materialize. There's obviously an infinity of possibilities, but two main structures that I'm tracking. And there is one structure that's highlighted in yellow. It is the Elliott wave triangle there. An Elliott wave triangle is a 5-wave pattern, A, B, C, D, E, forming higher lows, lower highs. At the moment, as long as the price now does not break below the last swing low, what I have labeled as wave C, which is at $13.60. As long as the price stays above that, the triangle could more directly break to the upside, but one more wave down is missing to form a triangle. This E wave is basically still missing, so maybe could travel a little lower, and then if we see a first, let's say, impulse to the upside or a break above the trend line there, then it would be an indication that this wave 5 might have started. But at the moment I don't see enough waves yet to call the triangle complete. If in the next decline the price breaks below this, what I have labeled as C wave low, the low of the 17th of December, around $13.60, then I have to assume it's the white wave structure that's playing out. It's just a more complex form of a correction, not a triangle. I call it a WXY pattern. And in this case, we might reach $12.88 or $11.04. But even here, just be aware that that we might just need one more marginally lower low below the previous swing lows and the correction could be over. If I use the Fibonacci extension tool, then a target for this last wave down, basically wave C of Y of 4, would point towards $12.55. And overall, so I still am emphasizing, or I prefer the idea of one more high on this chart towards $21 plus, but so far there's no evidence that the correction has completed. So just a bit more patience, and then possibly in the new year we see a little bit of action. That's my update about LINK. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.